Namaste. Welcome to first PU Maths online class. We have solved many problems, right? We have solved many problems in the last class. Today we will study one more concept, that is trigonometric equations. Same chapter, another concept, that is trigonometric equations. Here trigonometric equations means equations involving trigonometric functions or trigonometric terms are called as trigonometric equations. That means here equations involving trigonometric functions or trigonometric terms are called trigonometric equations. Here, now suppose trigonometric equations are given, we need to find out the solutions for that trigonometric equations. Here, for one complete revolution, that how many degrees it will take? 360 degree, that means 2 pi radian for one complete revolution. For example, for one complete revolution, angle takes, suppose x is an angle 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi. For next here, same values repeats. Therefore, the solution lies in between 0 to 2 pi. 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi. These solutions are called as principal solution. Here, solutions in between 0 to 2 pi. Here 0 less than or equal to x and less than 2 pi. These are called as principal solution. And solution involving the term n belongs to z, that are called as general solution. Solutions involving the term n are called general solution. General solution, problems on this is not there in your syllabus. General solution illa, but we have to study about principal solution. We will study. See, for example, general solution and principal solution, just I will tell one example. Okay, I will give one example. Here, sin x equal to 0. This is one trigonometric function. Here, equations involving trigonometric functions are trigonometric terms. Sin x equal to 0. Here we have to find the solution. That means to find the solution means always we have to find the value of x. X value find out madbekadu to find the solution. For which value of sine function, for which value of x, this value is 0. We know sine 0 is 0. Correct? Sine 0 is 0. So, 0 is one of the solution for x. ಓಕೆ ಸೈನ್ 0 ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆರ್ ದ solution or the value of x for which the given statement should be true. ಓಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಸೈನ್ 0 ಈಸ್ 0. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ? ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ ಈಸ್ 0. Sin 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi all 0. So, value lies in between 0 to 2 pi. ಇದರ ಮಿಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ನಾವು sin 0 is 0, sin pi is 0. So, principal solutions are, what are the principal solutions here? Principal solutions are 0 and pi. Now already we have studied sin x is 0 for integral multiple of pi, correct? 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಇಂಟಗ್ರಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೈಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ sin x is 0. So, sin x is 0 for x equal to n pi where n belongs to z. This here solution involving the term n, this is called general solution. Okay, values lies in between this. These are the principal solution. Next ಗೆ value repeat ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So, ಅಷ್ಟರೊಳಗಿನ value, basic value, that is the principal solution. Solution involving the term n, that are called as general solution. Okay, next we'll do problems. Trigonometric equations. We'll solve some problems. First one, find the principal solutions of the equation first one, sin x equal to root 3 by 2. See, before solving the problem, you should know two things properly to solve equations. Okay, to solve trigonometric equations. See, one is the standard table, standard angle table, that is very important. ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. One more, signs of trigonometric functions that you should know in different quadrants. What is the sign in the first quadrant? In the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Signs correct ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Value 0 to pi by 2 is the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all are positive. Next, second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi, that is second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is positive, that means cos is negative. Okay, next third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2, pi to 3 pi by 2, that is the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive, that means both sine and cos are negative. Next fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, that is the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, that means sine is negative. All students take coffee. We can remember like that. Okay, one more thing. Suppose any angle that is in the first quadrant, that directly we can say solution as theta. The value is in the second quadrant alli adre pi minus theta. Okay, what about in the third quadrant? In the third quadrant, pi plus theta, here theta, pi minus theta. In the third quadrant, pi plus theta. What about in the fourth quadrant? In the fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus theta. In the fourth quadrant, that is 2 pi minus theta. These things you should remember to solve trigonometric equations. Now come to the problem. Sin x equal to root 3 by 2. We know that we have to find the solution. That means we need to find out the value of x. Okay, we know that sin, for which value of x, sin x is root 3 by 2, sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree, that means sin pi by 3. We know that sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Okay, now see the sign of the function. Sin x is root 3 by 2, that means given is positive. For which quadrant sin is positive? See, we need to find out the solution from 0 to 2 pi, andre 0 ದಿಂದ 2 pi ವರೆಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುವ ಎಲ್ಲ values we need to find out. Okay, now sin x will take root 3 by 2 for what value of x? Now given is positive, so sin x is positive or sin is positive in which quadrant? This is positive in first and second quadrant. Sin x is positive in first and second quadrants. So what are the principal solutions now? Therefore principal solutions are in the first quadrant, theta itself can be taken as the solution, so pi by 3. What about in the second quadrant? In the second quadrant, value is pi minus theta. Theta is pi by 3. So second quadrant alli pi minus theta, because in the second quadrant value is pi minus theta. Okay, so pi minus theta is pi by 3. So what are the solutions? Pi by 3, and therefore principal solutions are pi by 3 and 3 minus 1 2 pi divided by 3. These are the solutions. ಉಳಿದ ಎರಡು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್. ಓಕೆ, second problem. Second one, tan x equal to minus 1 divided by root 3. Now here we know that, see, first ignore the sign, first standard value find out ಮಾಡಿ angle ಇದ್ದು, tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. Ignore the sign in the first step. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾಯ್ತು. ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 1/3. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, tan x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/√3 ಫಾರ್ ವಿಚ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1/3. 1/√3 tan 30 degree, that means tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 equal to 1/√3. We know that tan pi by 6 is 1/√3, but given is negative. Okay, where tan is negative, tan x is negative, tan x is negative in which quadrant? In which quadrant tan x is negative? Tan x is negative in second and fourth quadrant. Tan x is negative in second and fourth quadrant. In the second quadrant, what is the value of theta? In the second quadrant, here, in the second quadrant, that is pi minus theta. Fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus theta are the solutions. So, therefore, what are the principal solutions? Therefore, principal solutions are in the second quadrant pi minus theta, pi by 6, and fourth quadrant 2 pi minus theta. What are that? That are 6 minus 1, 5 pi by 6, and 12 minus 1, 11 pi by 6. These are the principal solutions. Next one, third one, find the principal solutions of the equation tan x equal to root 3. Here, same method, this is positive only. We know that tan, for which value of x, tan x is root 3, 60 degree, tan pi by 3 is root 3. Here tan is positive. For Now in which quadrant tan x is positive? First and third. So tan x is positive. Tan x is positive in first and third quadrants. Okay, in the first quadrant theta itself is the solution. Third quadrant it is pi plus theta. Therefore principal solutions are principal solutions are theta, that is pi by 3, and third quadrant pi plus theta, that is pi plus pi by 3, that is pi by 3 and 3 plus 1 4 pi by 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೈ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ tan pi minus theta is tan theta, sorry, here in the third quadrant. For example, ಈಗ tan of pi plus theta third quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ positive, so it is tan pi plus theta is tan theta. Here first quadrant it is theta. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ tan pi by 3 is root 3, that is in the first quadrant. Now tan is positive in the third quadrant also, that is tan of pi plus pi by 3, that is also here tan of pi plus pi by 3. Tan pi plus theta is tan theta, tan pi by 3, this is same as root 3. So this is one solution and this is the another solution. So these two are the principal solutions. So direct ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂತಷ್ಟೆ. ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. Fourth one, sin x equal to minus root 3 by 2. See, we know that sin, first ignore here, what is the value of x? Sin 60 degree, that is sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Where sin x is negative? Sin x is negative in third and fourth quadrant. So see, actual method is sin x is negative, sin x is negative in third and fourth quadrants. Third and fourth quadrants. That means here sin x is negative here, correct? So in the third quadrant, here in the third quadrant, what is the value? pi plus theta. Okay, here given value is minus root 3 by 2. Okay, this is same as minus, just a method, minus sine pi by 3. Sine is negative in third quadrant, so it can be written as pi plus pi by 3. Sine pi plus pi by 3 is minus sine pi by 3. This is the method. For example, it can also be written as sine pi plus pi by 3, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi multiple ಆದರೆ sin ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, sin. Okay, 2 pi minus theta means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin is negative, so it is minus sin pi by 3. Here sin x given is minus root 3 by 2. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ minus sin pi by 3. It can be written as sin is negative in third and fourth quadrant. So just ಇದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, just concept is this one. Therefore third and fourth quadrant, therefore principal solutions are, what are the principal solutions? X value ಮಾತ್ರ pi plus pi by 3 and 2 pi minus pi by 3. There are here, what are they? 3 pi plus 1 is 4 pi by 3 and 6 minus 1 is 5 pi by 3. These are the principal solutions. Fourth one, tan x equal to root 3. Here positive only. What we know here, for which value tan x, sorry, this is over, right? Next one, this is over. Fifth one, secant x equal to 2. Now if you know directly the value of secant x, you can write the solution. Otherwise you can write cos x equal to, cos x is the reciprocal of secant x, so we can write secant x as 1 by cos x, so we can write the value of cos x also. Secant x value direct ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ direct ಬರಿಬೋದು, no problem. See, we know that secant, here secant pi by 3 is 2, okay, or secant means same sign as cos, so in the second and third quadrant it is, we need positive. First quadrant and fourth quadrant it is positive, so we can write the solution directly, or we can write it as secant x is 1 by 2. What is cos x? Cos cos x is reciprocal, that is 1 by 2. ಇದು ಬರೀಬೋದು. Now we know that cos 30 degree, that is cos pi by 6, that is 1 by 2. What are the solutions now? Now solutions are, cos is positive here, so cos x, or we can write for secant also, no problem. This is positive, it is positive in where cos is positive, first and fourth quadrants. First and fourth quadrants. So what are the principal solutions? Therefore principal solutions are, in the first quadrant, theta itself be a solution, pi by 6, and one more is fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus theta is 2 pi minus pi by 6. What are these? Pi by 6 and 12 minus 1 is 11 pi divided by 6. Same question. Find the principal solution for the equation cot x equal to minus root 3. Here cot x directly also we can write, or we can write it as tan x. Tan x is minus 1 by root 3. Okay, then for which value tan x is 1 by root 3? Tan 30 degree, that is tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3, where tan is negative. Here tan x is given as negative, correct? Negative in which quadrants? Tan is negative in second and fourth quadrants. Okay, second and fourth quadrants. What are the principal solutions? So principal solutions are second quadrant ಆದರೆ pi minus theta and fourth 2 pi minus theta. What is theta? Pi minus pi by 6 and 2 pi minus pi by 6. 6 minus 1, 5 pi by 6, and 12 minus 1, 11 pi by 6. One more, cosec x equal to minus 2. Cosec x equal to minus 2. How can we write this? Cosec x can be written as 1 by sin x. So sin x is reciprocal of this, that is minus 1 by 2. For which value sin x is 1 by 2? Pi by 6. So we know that, or we have sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. That is sin 30 degree. Therefore, given as sin or cosec is negative, where cosec is negative, or sign. This is negative in third and fourth quadrants. Third and fourth quadrants. So, principal solutions are, therefore, principal solutions are, in the third quadrant it is pi plus theta, in the fourth quadrant it is pi minus theta. What is that? Pi plus pi by 6 and 2 pi minus pi by 6, that is here 6 minus 1, 7 pi by 6 and 12 minus 1, 11 pi by 6. These are the solutions of cosec minus 2. This is about trigonometric functions. Try some problem yourself. Tan x equal to minus root 3. Second one, cos x equal to 1 by 2. Third one, secant x is equal to minus 2 divided by root 3. Okay. Find the principal solution of the equations. Try these three. Thank you.